Dyma Idris here. Happy holidays and them things there. Just back to give you another update on my A&B apprenticeship at Anthem company. So like I said in the last vlog, we started off very, very busy and it's carried on that way. In the last vlog I talked about starting working on our biggest fundraiser so far, and in November we launched that and we managed to raise £4,500, which is amazing, a lot more than we ever hoped for, so we're very, very grateful for that. For this project I mostly took on getting reels and getting information from past and present people who worked with Anthem. Yeah, we're just trying to get that information out there as much as possible, why you should support us and what we're planning to do and what we're already doing. Yeah, it was really important to get that information out and tell those stories, and yeah, I think it worked really, really well. So a lot of video editing, a lot of graphic design done, and yeah, there's a lot of talking to people as well, getting out of my comfort zone and interacting with people who I don't normally work with. I also went up to the Young Persons Festival up in Swansea, where we had a table and had some performers. It's really nice to be on the other side of the table. It's quite weird, because I'm so used to going to these networking events and talking to the tables, and now I'm the one giving the information. And yeah, it's like I said, it's really good at trying to get myself out of that comfort zone and get better at talking to people and get better at networking, because I think that's something I've always kind of struggled with, to get those skills in. At the end of November, we also did our final event of the year called Diff Ambition. For this event, I actually ended up hosting it, which was quite cool. I've never done something like that before. It was fun. It was a bit awkward to start with, but once I got into it, it was very, very fun. So this month, I'm mostly focused on getting back on the gateway, figuring out where we're going to be going for the next year and what sort of projects we're going to be working on. We'll be setting up our Discord and doing monthly events. We've got 2 events lined up in January, one which I'll be hosting and one which will be collaborating with Music Manager Forum, which will be very, very interesting and good to give that information out there. So just this last weekend, me and Leanne went up to Bangor, to Pontio for Amlin's base camp, where they released the information of the studies we've done over the last years and the problems which Welsh young people are kind of struggling with in the music industry. It was really interesting to get takes, and it's very nice to have these events up in North Wales, where I think a lot of them are struggling to get into the industry. So yeah, it was nice to have all those people in the room. Rian did a lovely panel answering questions. It was a lovely event and I had a very good time. Yeah, it's just exciting but very, very busy, and I'm happy for my Christmas break. Looking forward to some banging food and some booze and being around family. So yeah, love each and every. We'll catch you soon. See you in a bit. Them ones, yeah, them ones.